Today in this video I am going to talk about the endocrine system and try to show you exactly what's going on inside your body. The endocrine system is a complex network of glands and organs that work together to regulate various bodily functions through hormones. It's responsible for growth, development, metabolism, and reproductive processes, making it a vital part of our overall health and well-being. Hormonal imbalances can have a significant impact on our daily lives. For example, an imbalance of insulin can lead to diabetes, while an imbalance of thyroid hormones can cause weight gain or loss, fatigue, and mood swings. Hormonal imbalances can also affect our mood, energy levels, and even our skin and hair. Many people struggle with hormonal imbalances, often without realizing the root cause of their symptoms. It's essential to understand the role hormones play in our bodies and how imbalances can affect our health. One common issue related to hormonal imbalance is polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, which affects millions of women worldwide. PCOS is a hormonal disorder that can cause irregular menstrual cycles, cysts on the ovaries, and insulin resistance. It can also lead to infertility, weight gain, and acne. Another hormonal imbalance that's becoming increasingly common is thyroid disorders, such as hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. These conditions can cause fatigue, weight changes, and mood swings, among other symptoms. The symptoms of hormonal imbalance can be frustrating and debilitating, but understanding the root cause can be the first step towards recovery. By recognizing the signs and symptoms of hormonal imbalances, we can take steps to prevent or treat them, and regain control over our health and well-being. The good news is that hormonal imbalances can often be treated with lifestyle changes, supplements, or medication, but it's essential to work with a healthcare professional to determine the best course of treatment. The endocrine system is made up of several glands, each with its own specific functions. The pituitary gland is often referred to as the master gland, because it regulates the other glands in the endocrine system. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism, growth, and development, while the adrenal glands produce hormones that help us respond to stress. The pancreas produces insulin and glucagon, which regulate blood sugar levels, and the reproductive glands, such as the ovaries and testes, produce sex hormones that regulate reproductive processes. The thyroid gland is one of the most important glands in the endocrine system, and it plays a crucial role in regulating our metabolism. The thyroid gland produces two main hormones, T3 and T4, which regulate how our bodies use energy. An underactive or overactive thyroid gland can have a significant impact on our energy levels, weight, and overall health. The adrenal glands, on the other hand, are responsible for producing hormones that help us respond to stress, such as adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones help us react to danger, but chronically elevated levels can have negative effects on our health. Recent research has shed light on the importance of the endocrine system in overall health. A fascinating case study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that a group of people with thyroid disorders had significant improvements in their symptoms after taking a supplement containing selenium and zinc. Another study published in the Journal of Endocrinology found that exercise can help regulate hormonal imbalances in people with polycystic ovary syndrome. These studies highlight the importance of the endocrine system in regulating our overall health and well-being. In recent years, there's been a growing awareness of the importance of the endocrine system in overall health. Research has shown that hormonal imbalances can have a significant impact on our health, and that understanding the endocrine system can be the key to treating many common health issues. From thyroid disorders to polycystic ovary syndrome, hormonal imbalances can affect anyone, regardless of age or gender. By understanding how the endocrine system works, we can take steps to prevent or treat hormonal imbalances, and regain control over our health and well-being. In summary, the endocrine system plays a vital role in regulating various bodily functions through hormones. Hormonal imbalances can have a significant impact on our health, but understanding the root cause can be the first step towards recovery. By recognizing the signs and symptoms of hormonal imbalances, we can take steps to prevent or treat them, and regain control over our health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and if you've struggled with hormonal issues, please share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video on hormone health, where we'll dive deeper into the world of hormones and explore more fascinating topics.